Hope everyone is doing great. Ali DIY, owner operator. I need more room inside my truck, so I'm fixing to take the passenger seat out. Get your impact drill, 13mm socket. There's bolts around here, and on the other side, loose this up, and you should be good to go. And don't forget your air hose line, disconnect it, and you should be good to go. We will do that together. Two bolts, 13mm. Was stuck there long time. See that corrosion right there? It's a long one. Look at the corrosion. Just making sure there's no more bolts. Disconnect your hose, your air line hose. Just making sure. Right. Takes T50 here, the hex cap screw. Just playing it right, left, right, tight a little bit, dose it a little bit till it, look at the corrosion. Gonna keep this back here because I take the chair. All right, get this bolt in there. Just that's it. Right. Place the seat all the way forward. Wow. Okay, we'll see. Bring the big one. Got my bad boy here for you. Be nice, but it doesn't work this way. I have to be, have to be aggressive. hex cap 50, size 50. All right, that's it. Wow, you see that? Let me zoom. See that? Just see, when we talk about force and being aggressive, that's what happens. So it didn't have to be like that. You got that, boy? Anyways, gonna take all these, so I have to take this inside. So I'm gonna leave that there. No, what is that? Don't tell me. That thing came off from here. All right. We got one more from the other side. This is what we will do. Place that right there. Okay. It didn't work, but got another way. We'll lift this chair. We got, yeah. And the chair right now is moving. Just disconnect your air hose, air line, and take the chair out. Easy. All right, this is for the seat belt. I'm gonna place it here on my chair. But what I will do, so don't drag on the ground, both ends in here, you know. Alaikum salam, I'm videoing. That's how. And hey, I'm videoing. I am videoing. Just place it here, you know, and do the same thing on the other side. We are done. We will disconnect the airline. All right, we removed all the bolts around 4 and all the hex bolts. Now we got this airline right there. It comes with a push to connect air fitting right there. Okay, with this rubber right here to get access to go here, just pull these gently. You see? Don't pull it like hard, you will break it. So you don't need to pull it hard, okay? Right there. So it really doesn't matter if you do. I prefer to have your to air tank, you know, empty before you do this. Otherwise, it's gonna be hard to open this, and also it will it will be really hard to disconnect the line because there's air on it. It will be easy if the air if it's empty, it will be really easy to disconnect it. But of course, you need force. You push on it hard, you need force to push on it, and it will get disconnected. Right, I got it disconnect. See, like I said, it was really easy. That's going to the chair, which you will need another. You will need a cap, air fitting cap here, goes here And that's it, guys. Now you can move this chair and put it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. See you in the next video.